What's up, FoodTube fam? Welcome back to the channel where I try something old or something new and give it a review. And today I got something new. Today I've got the latest flavor from DQ, the Drumstick Blizzard. That's right, Drumstick, based off of that all-time favorite frozen drumstick dessert we all grew up with, the kind with a chocolate shell on top of the cone with the peanuts embedded in it. Well, this is the Drumstick flavored Blizzard. I got a small size, $2 through the app. Let's take a look at this. There it is. You know, it's been years since I've had a Dairy Queen treat. Have been there for quite a while. Couldn't resist the Drumstick Blizzard here. That's how they present it, upside down. So here it is. Look at all the chunks they got going on in here. You can see the peanuts and the chocolate pieces. Looks delicious. You can feel all the chunks just by digging in. Wow. There's a big chunk falling out the cup right there. Catch that. Look at all these chunks. All right, I'm gonna give this a taste. Let's see if it tastes like the Drumstick dessert I grew up with. Wow. All right. Ooh, wow. Those little peanuts in there, that brings back memories. And you can taste the chocolate. You got a little crunch in there as if it's the cone bits in here as well. Wow, this is pretty good. There is cone bits in here. Wow, let's look at all these chunks in there. See the peanuts, the chocolate? I'm pretty sure there's some cone bits in here. Look how chunky that looks. Wow, a big chunk of chocolate right there. That is delicious. Wow. Drumstick hit the nail on the head with this. Tastes exactly like it. Look at that big chunk of chocolate. That's good. Wow. This is Drumstick in every bite. See, the good thing with this, unlike the original cone, is that when you finish eating off the chocolate shell off the cone, that's it. All you got is the cone and the ice cream. You've already eaten up the chocolate shell and peanuts on top. With this, chocolate bits every time, peanuts every time, cone bits every time. This is good. Totally Drumstick right here. It's like you took a drumstick and mashed it up, put it in a cup. That was good. Oh wow, what can I say? That Blizzard It left an impression on me. It was exactly how I hoped it would be. It tasted exactly how I hoped it would taste, and more. It was a drumstick in a cup. It brought me back. It brought me back with the taste, the texture. I think I enjoyed that even more than eating the drumstick itself. With this, you get every texture in every spoonful. You get the chocolate, the nuts, even the crisp of the cone chunks in there. Every bite, man, full of texture. Really enjoyed that one. All right, from a scale of 1 to 5 flames, what am I gonna give the DQ Drumstick Blizzard? I'm gonna give it a 4.8 flames out of 5. Tell you what, if it had whipped cream on top, it'll probably boost the score just a little bit. But hey, it was good. It was fire. Even though it was cold, it was fire. Loved it. I would eat it again. I would get it again. 4.8 flames out of 5 for that DQ Drumstick Blizzard. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's the review. If you guys tried that Blizzard already, let me know what you guys thought of it in the comments below. That does it for the review. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the notification bell for future videos, because every time the bell rings, I gotta eat another sweet. So ring that bell. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my Instagram page, which is The Graveyard. I'll put the link below, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace. Couldn't resist the Drumstick Blizzard here. That's how they present it, upside down. There you go. Whoa!